Alrighty guys, Chris, Oz Canopies on 4x4 back again to show you another fitting video, putting that together. Today we're going to be going through this Mitsubishi MV Triton, brand new Triton off the lot, in here today to get one of our electric rollers fitted. So we're going to get the assembly, we're going to get the fitment, and we're going to get right into it. Hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of our new generation of electric roller shutter that will be soon available for all the utes. At the moment, we've got to fit it on this MB Triton, of course. I just want to go through some of the features. Still, you've got the fob control. The additional benefit that we've got now is a proximity control button over here to open and close the roller shutter. So if we hold the keys over here, notice it doesn't work, right? I'm pressing the button, not close enough. But as soon as we come closer to the unit, the roller shutter is powered and that is now activated. So a very, very convenient use of this roller shutter. You can always, obviously, if you are away from the vehicle, use the fob control. So that one's pretty straightforward. Press the open button and then you roll it all the way back. Other than that, we've flattened the roller shutter so that doesn't take up as much space or doesn't raise as high, and have the opportunity to still add all of those features that a lot of people want, which is refit the sports bar, add the ladder racks, and all the other bits and pieces. Now, so if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. If you like the video, give us a like, hit the notification bell, subscribe. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one.